Hi, how are you? Welcome to our my channel. Polished Beauty Blog. Polished Beauty Blog is run by Eka Edros Pink, whose whole editing grants schools for social workers. Points her nails and blogs about it. Polished Advance, dedicated to a makeup lovers and nail polishes enthusiasts. Polished Beauty blogs is ideas for drugstores customers, offerable brands like Covers Girls. Maybelline and Silly Haseen are featured in the stocks and posts. Lee Child's posts are current the she able of the offer magnificent tips about the brand are on sale where nailing it. Polished Beauty Blogs is a proud member of the Polish Blogger network and provides links for a few nail polish blogs. Polish Switches. Polish Switches is a nail polish blog dedicated to nail care articles, nail art tweets, polished reviews, and notes of a switch. Polished Advance. Polish switches keep current blogs of hot ideas and new finds. The latest headlines helps victors and honey in on a just topic they like. The blog primarily features nail news with makeup, injections, hair and hair. Nailing it. Written by Fabulous Fashion. This blog is highly interactive, ensuring factors input of followers. Latest published comments. There are some ads, but they do not detract from the fabulous and quality of the posts.